Hello, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to download Assetto Corsa on your laptop or PC. First of all, you need to have installed Steam on your device. If you don't have Steam, you can go to Google, type download Steam and open the first result. Then you need to click install Steam button, download and install Steam and sign up. Once you're done, then you can open your Steam. Go to Store page on the top menu and in the search bar type Assetto Corsa and click the search button. In the list, you need to find the first result, which is Assetto Corsa. Click it. Scroll a little bit down and here you will see Add to Cart button. Just click this button, then View My Cart. Continue to payment. Here you need to scroll down and select the payment option. There will be different options for different countries, but there are some top options, for example, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. So you need to choose one of them, click Continue button and finalize the payment. After that, you can go to your library and on the left side, you will see your game. Just click it and click the Install button. That's all I wanted to tell you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.